fly hard, drop a weekly, game strong, he the king. How to's and reviews, got the people tuned in. These ride the channel when the engines ignite. Stay for the thrills, buckle up for the flight. These rides, these lines hitting the pavement. Every gear shifting, never feeling detainment. From the streets to the tracks, living life loud. In the car world, D wearing the crown.
All right, everybody, we are here with Andrew of Maserati. Now, he is going to go over some different specs of this beautiful GT2 Stradale. And so I'll let you go ahead and take it on.
Excellent. So behind me is our GT2 Stradale. So this is a limited production vehicle. We're making 914 in homage to our founding year of 1914 as a brand, Maserati. Now, the cool thing is this is based on our MC20 supercar. With the vehicle, we reduced the weight by about 10 pounds, and we also increased the horsepower. So this now produces 631 horsepower. But in addition to that, we also included more aerodynamic bits. So the car now produces over 1,100 pounds of downforce. Now with the interior, we also made a deliberate choice to do all Alcantara in order to reduce glare on the driver while they're driving. And second to that, we also included these new bucket seats as well. Now, the cool thing about the interior of the car is that we also made our center cluster raised to sort of mimic our GT2 race car that runs the Fanatec GT2 European Series. Now, in the back of the car, we can see more of that aerodynamic work that we were talking about with the over 1,100 pounds of downforce. Now, one thing that's kind of unique to this vehicle as well is that it's a, quote, barely street legal car. So this is one of those vehicles that you could drive to the racetrack and drive home the same day. Now, included on the car are these semi-slick tires as well from Michelin, our Cup 2Rs. Now, a cool thing about the vehicle as well is that it's built around our carbon fiber monocoque chassis, essentially a carbon fiber bathtub that you and the passengers sit in. Now, not only is that stronger, but also makes the car more firm, especially on the track. But it's an exciting vehicle. We're really excited to start rolling this out. We started production back in December. Excited for people in the US to start driving these.
Awesome. What is the starting MSRP on this?
It's gonna be $311,995.
Okay. Yeah, I think I can swing that.
Absolutely.
All right. So tell me about this paint. I mean, is this a wrap? Is this actual paint color?
No, this is real paint. So this is in more of a matte or sand finish. So as you can see on the far side as well with the Gran Turismo, also a similar sort of flat paint. We're starting to offer more and more of these as well as a brand. But this has kind of been a showstopper for a lot of people coming in.
It really has. Now I know, I know the MC20 had a few colors that was specific to that car. Is this kind of specific to this car, or is there other in the line that has this kind of? It looks almost color shifting. Almost.
Yeah, it almost has that chameleon-esque kind of paint.
Yeah.
So we do offer this paint on this vehicle. We do have our configurator as well, where you can actually make your own bespoke Maserati as well. And in there, you can actually take a look at what color options are available with each of our models as well. And also our local retailers can assist with anybody that's looking to buy one as well.
Wow.
As far as the whole process.
I love this dry carbon fiber too.
Isn't that beautiful?
And I'm normally a gloss carbon fiber
guy,
but it fits with this matte finish.
It does. And then also, if you even open up the door one more time here, you can just see that carbon fiber more on the seat back as well, even in the center cluster. It's pretty stunning.
Yeah, it is.
And you will notice on the very top that we have our built-in shift lights as well in the steering wheel.
Oh, nice. Yeah,
really cool little touch.
Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, this is beautiful. And then I see that you guys also incorporated, is this forged carbon?
It is. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Jeez.
I know.
It went all out, guys, on this. Like I said, this is the GT2 Stradale. This thing is beautiful inside and out. Look at this rear diffuser. Dry carbon fiber throughout. I think that's a beautiful touch, like I just said, with this matte finish. It just ties everything together. That is beautiful. And I've always, even when I first saw the regular, I don't want to say regular MC20, how they did the kind of Maserati emblem, the trident. Yeah, it's kind of, I've not seen any other manufacturer incorporate their logo into a rear windshield like that. That's just freaking amazing.
It's unique, right? And even with the MC20, there's a lot of thought that goes into the design process. In fact, we spent over 1,000 hours in the wind tunnel designing the MC20's body. So what you see isn't just for vanity, they typically serve an aerodynamic purpose as well in the design of the vehicle. It's really neat, actually.
Wow. Now, what engine does this? I know this is the Naturo engine. Okay, so this is what this incorporates in, to make it go.
Exactly. So we do have our 3-liter twin-turbo V6, the Naturo, as you're just referring to it, inside the MC20 and the GT2 Stradale. It's an incredible piece of engineering as well. Actually, it incorporates technology that has not been used outside of Formula One. In fact, we, for the first time, are offering this pre-ignition chamber as well at the very top. So for each of the cylinders, there's 2 spark plugs. It's actually pretty incredible.
Wow.
It's stunning though, isn't it?
It is. It is. And from my understanding, I did a review on the MC20 a few years ago, and I couldn't remember that. I think they were super proud that this engine was actually made in-house.
Correct. This is a Maserati product through and through.
Awesome.
Maserati engine, Maserati car. It's pretty incredible, isn't it?
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Everybody, like I said, thank you very much for your time. This paint, I just keep walking around it, and I just love to just see that paint shift. Jump inside this car and take a look. This is beautiful. You have these shift lights that are here in the steering wheel built in. This is their monocoque cockpit. These are racing seats, as you can see, this beautiful dry carbon fiber all throughout. You got the Stradale logo here, and this is a tight fit, but it's beautiful. Look at those tridents in this seat. The seat, Alcantara all throughout. You got this little pull handle right here as well. And just look at the stitching in this vehicle. This is a sight to behold, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this. This is currently in accessory mode. You can also see this has a rear camera, and this is one of the features that I love on my car, is it's actually a camera instead of just a actual mirror. So you can turn it into a mirror, as you can see right there, or you can hit the switch, and then now it's a rear view camera. That allows you to be able to have better visibility in the back, because being that this is a mid-engine car, you don't have the best visibility looking through the center or looking through the rear view without that camera. So take a look at here. You got these different modes. You have wet, you got GT, you got sport, and then you got Corsa. I believe Corsa stands for track. And like I said before, look at this dry carbon fiber that this car has. I am normally not a dry carbon fiber fan. This car, it's having me rethink that. Got the tricolor, the Italian flag. Look at the Alcantara all throughout with that beautiful blue stitching. You have your start button, you got your launch control button here, and this steering wheel. Now this is a type of steering wheel that I wish another car manufacturer would have used for their car, but we won't mention who that is. But at any rate, you could probably guess who I'm talking about. But at any rate, this is a beautiful steering wheel on this car. Different features here. Let's see, you have the turbo, torque, oil pressure, water temperature, all these little gauges. Thank you very much for coming to the channel. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. If you like the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. We are here at the New York Auto Show. Once again, thank you very much, my man.
Thank you so much.
All right.